Welcome to the monthly recap. So we're talking about what we released in November. Let's go right through it. First thing, so we released the possibility to collaborate with others even if they don't have an account. How does it work? Now when you click share inside a note on Evernote, you will be able to send a link to that note, and people who receive it will be able to just open it in the browser, and they will not only be able to see the note as was previously possible, but now they will have an editor, what we call a light editor, right inside their browser, which is like a fully powerful editor. They can do whatever they want with the note as long as they have permission. Make sure to try it out. It's actually very cool. It's very fast to load. Great experience for everybody involved. Highly recommend. This is a huge change for collaboration with others. So now it's very, very frictionless and easy to just send somebody a link and those people can start collaborating on the same note with you. Customizing your mobile navbar. So if you haven't seen it, make sure to watch our previous video about customization. We go through both the customization on desktop and on mobile. TLDR is this what you see here. So now you can decide how your navbar, your bottom navigation bar, works. And so you can just like manually select which sections you want to see there. Plus there's a more button that opens the remaining list of items that you don't want to have there readily available. This is a huge improvement for navigation on mobile, and we are so proud of the level of customization and ease of navigation that we have unlocked on Evernote since we started working it almost a year ago now. LaTeX blocks. So first of all, I recently discovered this is pronounced LaTeX. Secondly, you can now add mathematical formulas in line on Evernote by using the LaTeX language. So here, for instance, you have a formula for a fraction, but I'm sure you can find on the web all of the examples that you want. And next, let's go through a short list of our quality of life improvements, which have now become a fan favorite. These are all smaller things, not like big new features, but they are all geared towards like improving the quality of your experience on Evernote. First of all, you can now filter a shared note or a shared notebook out of your filters in a list of notes. So you can just like with your mouse select if you want to show or hide notes and that are shared with you. You can also create a new notebook from the three-dot menu. This wasn't previously available, but it's super handy to be able to like know that from that menu you can create new stuff in general. And you can also finally have a very standardized behavior when you click and drag your mouse on text, especially on tables. So let's go through it very quickly. One click, as usual, places your cursor where you click. One click plus dragging allows you to highlight the text very precisely at the character level. 2 clicks select the whole word. 2 clicks plus drag highlights the section that you make, but at the word level, so not at the character level. It allows you to more quickly select specified words. And then 3 clicks will highlight the whole content of the cell. This is handy, especially because previously it didn't work in such a standardized way. Now we've aligned it with the way most software that handles text works. So it's very a good experience now when you compare it with like most powerful text processors. And then we have another little mobile navigation improvement. This has to do with notebooks. When you tap on a notebook on mobile, you stay in the notebooks section, and you will see a small arrow up there on the left to take you back to the note list. Previously, by tapping on a notebook, you would be brought to the notes section. It was a little bit confusing. Now it's much better, much more understandable and easy to use. You can also swipe to go back to the previous page. These things, when you compound on them, they generally make the difference. So we are very happy that we could be working on these things this month. Thank you very much. I'll see you in more or less a month with the December updates and kind of a end of year overview.